What changes I will experience in my body at 15 weeks pregnant? Now you may notice several changes from outside, such as increase in belly size, and so you may consider wearing maternity clothes for comfort. The first most important change, your belly may be getting larger. Apart from the belly, your breasts and nipples may also be getting larger. These outward changes may make your pregnancy feel more real now. You will feel your baby's first movements in just a few weeks. Your emotions may shift as your body adjusts to mid-pregnancy. You may feel anxious about your pregnancy. Due to increased blood circulation, there will be slight swelling in your feet, ankles, and hands. During this time, your sex life may even change. Your feelings about sex can be heightened or disappear. Keep an open communication with your partner and share your feelings with him. Please visit www.indiamedicalhub.com and share this video